Our monthly service on our first Sunday of every month from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And we're in Petty Street Road. 7th of July, we will prepare funeral for Riri Song, and 4th of July, 4th of August for Martin. Ncheta ọmọ na-abịa birthday. Our taa birthday Uju.
Ọnwa
June. Anyị na-ekele na-aghara ndị niile amụ n'ọnwa obiọma n'ụbọchị ahụ ekele happy birthday ka ọnụ nke Chineke nke niile nke Chineke nọnyere ndị niile n'aha Jizọs. Igbo Church Project. Ndị na-eme ma na-enọchi ịzụ ụlọ ka ebe anyị na-efe Chineke anyị. So, dịka anyị na-achọ ịnweta ụlọ nke anyị, ka anyị nweta anyị ụlọ ndị obi anyị. Biko ọ bụrụ na ịchere mma ndị nchadọ building project, you will improve organic food for plants, our opportunity to develop the choir in practice first Saturday of every month. In the Sunday school and the youth, ages ranging from 4 years to 18 years. And we're in the summer event. God, Saturday, September 7th, 2019. I feel like a men's fellowship. Last night was fantastic because Emmy, our woman is here, people, Rambo, making sure we can attend the next one. I'm wearing a WhatsApp group for the men's fellowship. I want a man, make a man. Because anybody, who won't get on our church, they're working out of the because they're like a communicate, they discuss big time about fellowship. Fellowship, those are spectacular. It's a lot of so people want more, making sure people attend. Steering committee, the next gathering will be Saturday, the 22nd of June, by 5 p.m. The Women's Fellowship, that is Wine Church. And it meets bi-monthly, every second Saturday of every other month. And then we're general meeting on Saturday, the 14th of September, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. The venue will be Church Room, St. Mary's and St. George's Constant Parish, N10 3AH. And we'll pray the women's prayer. I said that the family that prays together stays together. Igbo Church Women's Fellowship. And we're at the telephone conference and a gathering every Tuesday night. Time will from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And here we have a free phone number. If you dial again, then all 033 099 81254. No one access to it then. Any number behind your nose. Anyway, we also don't get what you want in the channel, but the better one, everything discuss it. So, that's what we're doing.
They were.
Kelele Jehova n'ihi na ọ dị mma.
N'ihi na ruo